I've just come from out and I'm sweating here. I'm literally sweating here. I was just walking fast. There was a psychological reason behind why I was walking fast. I don't want to disclose it here. But yeah, this is not that reason shouldn't have moved me to move this faster. Let it be. So what I want to talk about for 5 minutes, not more than that, because I have work to do and time is important. If you don't value your time, time won't value you. You won't be valuable if you don't value your time. So time is one of the most important asset you have, and I do think I seems to have wasted it. I seem to have wasted it. I would not so wasted it, but what I learned, there are two or three things what I learned. For you to be successful, there are some, apart from skill set, apart from how smart you are, apart from how you may be academically more smart, there are certain traits which are required for you to get that top level. We see that, we lot of people, we see that, I personally, I see that this guy is literally like me, but he is where and why I am here. The reason for that is simple. There are certain traits: patience, hard work, consistency, and they have a clear purpose why they are doing it, and genuine desire for the work to get done. So I do think those are the things which makes all the difference. Rather than, you don't need to be really smart. I have heard this from other people like Joy Kalpan and Gary. A lot of people I have heard from them. I have heard from them that this is the thing, and yeah, I was really prepared for yesterday's interview, but I don't know how that went. I don't want to say it went bad. It was, I would say, I do think I spoke something which I shouldn't have spoken in front of interviewer. I don't know how did I win, what the perception that interviewer may have about me, and yeah, that is something. So I'm supposed to send something if they have asked me to do so, and yeah, that is the thing. Yeah, that is the thing. And my hairs have really grown up. My hairs have really grown up. I should get I should cut. I should get this cut. I should get them cut. And yeah, I do think whenever I speak in front of mobile, or whenever I speak in front of mirror, and whenever I speak in, after that I do the work, I do much better. I do much with a more focus. So I have 2 hours to do some work. So what I would like to do is to get connection. Because of connection, I do think, because of the connection, I got the opportunity to apply for an internship. I do think there will be a lot of people who must be hiring for performance marketing, and I do think I should go and apply for them. So I should have a daily target. So let's do the one thing. I will not till I get the opportunities from agencies. I would not apply. I would not apply. I would not really apply for an internship. I would not apply for internship where I would not apply to internship where I would not apply to internships which are in company, but I would still do so. I don't think so there must be problem. I have done the graphic design work. And I don't think so there is any problem. You run ad for, but I would prefer to agency. That will be my first priority. If I don't get, I will apply in companies like this clinics, but I want at least job, at least for 1.5 year. That is my goal. So keeping that in mind, let's do the work.